Ever noticed when one person yawns, suddenly everyone starts yawning too? Why? Yawning happens when our brain gets tired or gets less oxygen. To fulfill, our body gets deep breath automatically to refresh the brain. But the crazy part is, yawning is contagious. It means when watching someone yawning, it means you want to do the same thing. Why? Scientists think that contagious yawning is related to empathy. It means when someone is emotionally connected, can yawn more often. Thank you. If you want more facts, then please be connected to us.